My baby. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Eh? Why eating your chaka chaka? Chaka chaka. Eh? You don't eat it. You don't eat it, baby. You don't eat it, baby. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. My baby boy. Daddy. My baby boy. Are you falling down? Hey, really? Really, baby boy? Really, baby boy? Are you going to? Hey, hey, is that so? Ewo, odala o. Ewo. Ah, baby. Where are you rolling to? Look at one more girl. TBK. Oh my god. You rolled, baby. You want to meet mommy? Aya, wait. Later, I can't go again. Ewo. Easy. Yay. You want to follow mommy and do video? See, mommy, why you doing video without me? You're doing video without me, mommy? Are you doing video without me, mom? See, baby is standing, sitting, no. Sitting boy. Sitting boy. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back again to another video. If you're just seeing these pretty faces for the first time, my name is Kosi. I'm a mommy content creator based in Abuja, Nigeria. And to my 10 subscribers, thank you so much for, oh my god, so much for always coming back. How are you guys doing? So yeah, welcome back to another short video. You guys, I'm confused. They want to follow me on the video. Imagine it was lying on the bed. Immediately saw me carry camera. Was doing now I'm holding camera. I do your You don't want to do Eh? Oh baby. Oh what kabolam. Ewo. So guys, join us today on our today activities, okay? If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do it to subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification, like the video, comment, and share. Say hello, everybody. Hey, aunties and uncles. Say hi, aunties and uncles. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Say mommy. Say. Okay, guys. Keep watching, okay? Don't go anywhere. We love you. We love you. We love you. Say we love you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. All right, guys, keep watching. See you guys later. It is a money something. Money get power. It is a money something. Usually the cash, anything is possible. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. Cash can don't write it up like you. It is a money something. Make fine sissy Mario Congo. It is a money something. Ojego ne punuwa. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. It is a money something. Money get power. It is a money something. Usually the cash, anything is possible. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. Cash can don't write it up like you. It is a money something. Make fine sissy Mario Congo. It is a money something. Ojego ne punuwa. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. Game. So guys, I'm heading out now. I want to go and get food stuffs. Food stuffs. Yes. So let's go together, okay? I want to go and buy food stuff so that I can make soup. So join me, let's go. Good afternoon, sir. Well done, sir.
You want out. Do it again. Maybe if you see the one, she will come back.
Or maybe as people plenty now, you go think say maybe the man no go remember.
Money, if I gonna Oje gonna Ubana chowa. There is a problem, we say you no get money. If you are willing to pay, it will go your way. Up if I gonna pay, it is a money something. Money get power, it is a money something. Usually the cash, anything is possible. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. Cash can turn what it up like you. It is a money something. Make fine sissy Mario Gumbo. It is a money something. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. Happy fake on the bay. It is a money something. Money get power. It is a money something. Usually the cash, anything is possible. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. Cash can turn what it up like you. It is a money something. Make fine sissy Mario Gumbo. It is a money something. Ojego ne kunuwa. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. Up if I gonna pay. It is a money something. Money get power. It is a money something. Usually the cash, anything is possible. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. Cash can turn what it up like you. It is a money something. Make fine sissy Mario Gumbo. It is a money something. Ojego ne kunuwa. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. There is a problem, we say you no get money. If you are willing to pay, it will go your way. Up if I gonna pay, it is a money something. Money get power, it is a money something. Usually the cash, anything is possible. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. Cash can turn what it up like you. It is a money something. Make fine sissy Mario Gumbo. It is a money something. Ojego ne kunuwa. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. Up if I gonna pay. It is a money something. Money get power. It is a money something. Usually the cash, anything is possible. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. Cash can turn what it up like you. It is a money something. Make fine sissy Mario Gumbo.
'Cause
Money, if I gonna me, Oje gonna Ubana chowa. There is a problem, we say you don't get money. If you are willing to pay, it will go your way.
Voila, we are done.
It is a money something. Money get power. It is a money something. Usually the cash, anything is possible. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something.